Hi students, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss 8th question from miscellaneous exercise on vector algebra. Are you ready? Okay. Let us start. Show that the points A 1 minus 2 minus 8, B 5 0 minus 2 and C 11 3 7 are collinear and find the ratio in which B divides AC. Okay, first we should show that A, B, C, A means that is 1 minus 2 minus 8, B that is 5 0 minus 2, then C 11 3 7 are collinear. How we can show that A, B, C are collinear? Good. Modulus of AB plus modulus of BC that is equal to modulus of AC. Okay. Then how we can find AB? Vector A that is equal to I cap minus 2j cap minus 8k cap. Vector B is equal to 5i cap plus 0j cap minus 2k cap. Vector C is equal to 11i cap plus 3j cap plus 7k cap. Okay. Then first we should find vector AB. How we can find vector AB? Vector AB is equal to, correct, 5 minus 1 that is 4i cap. Then 0 minus of minus 2 means that plus 2j cap. Then minus of minus 8 that is minus 2 plus 8 that is 6k cap. Okay. Then next vector BC. Vector BC is equal to Z minus B. 11 minus 5 that is 6i cap. 3 minus 0 means that is 3j cap. 7 minus of minus 2 means that is 9k cap. Then next we should find AC. Vector AC is equal to Z minus A. Z means that is 11 minus 1 that is 10i cap. Then 3 minus of minus 2 that is 5j cap. Then 7 minus of minus 8 means that is 15k cap. Okay, then we should find the magnitude of vector AB. Magnitude of vector AB that is equal to root of 4 square that is 16 plus 2 square means that is 4 plus 6 square means that is 36 that is equal to root of 16 plus 4 means 20, 20 plus 36 means that is 56. 56 means that is 14 into root of 4 into 14 that is equal to 2 root to 14. Am I correct? Yeah. Then magnitude of vector BC that is equal to root of BC. 6 square that is 36 plus 3 square that is 9 plus 9 square means that is 81 that is equal to 81 plus 9 means that is 90. 90 plus 36 means root 126. Root 126. Root 126 means that is we should factorize 126 then 2 6 3 then 3 then 21 then 3 then 7. Okay, then we can write here 3 root 14 that is 3 root 14. Okay, then next we should find magnitude of vector AZ. Magnitude of vector AC is equal to root of 10 square means that is 100 plus 5 square means that is 25 plus 15 square means that is 225. Then that is equal to root of 225 plus 25 means 250. 250 plus 100 means that is 350. That is equal to, we can factorize 350, then 5, 70, then 2, 35, then 5, that is 7. Okay, then we will get 5 root 14, that is 5 root 14. Am I correct? Okay, then we can say that modulus of vector AB plus modulus of vector BC, that is equal to modulus of vector AC. Modulus of vector AB plus modulus of vector BC. Modulus of vector AB means that is 2 root 14 plus modulus of vector BC means that is 3 root 14. That is equal to 5 root 14. That is equal to modulus of vector AC. So we can say that A, B, C are collinear. Okay, understood? First we should find vector AB, that you already know, x2 minus x1 into I cap plus y2 minus y1 into j cap plus z2 minus z into k cap. Okay, then the AB, then BC, then AC, then you should find modulus of vector AB, then modulus of vector BC, then modulus of vector AC. Then you have to show that modulus of vector AB plus modulus of vector BC is equal to modulus of vector AC. Okay, then we can say that A, B, C are collinear. Then next we want to show that the ratio in which B divides AC. In which ratio B divides AC? Let us see. Okay, then B divides AC in the ratio K is to 1. Then we know that is mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, that is internal division. The next my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. The next mz2 plus nz1 divided by m plus n. Okay. Here m means that is k and n is equal to 1. So we should write k into 11, k into 11, 11k plus this is x1, y1, z1, this is x2, y2, z2, then this is m and this is n. So mx2 means k into 11, that is 11k plus then nx1 means 1 into 1, that is 1 divided by m plus n, that is k plus 1. Then my2 means k into 3, that is 3k. Then n into minus 2, that is minus 2 divided by m plus n, that is k plus 1. Then mz2 means k into 7, that is 7k plus n into z1, that is minus 8 divided by k plus 1, that is equal to 50 minus 2. Okay. So we can equate this x, the value of x, that is b, the coefficient of b means that is 50 minus 2. So 11k plus 1 divided by k plus 1 is equal to 5. 3k minus 2 divided by k plus 1 is equal to 0. 7k minus 8 divided by k plus 1 is equal to minus 2. So we can equate the middle one, that is 3k minus 2 divided by k plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore 3k minus 2 is equal to 0. So 3k is equal to 2. Therefore k is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, so the ratio ratio that is k is to 1, ratio means that is k is to 1, k means that is 2 by 3 is to 1, so that is equal to 2 is to 3. So B divides AC in the ratio 2 is to 3. Am I correct? Okay. So first we should use the section formula, mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n, mz2 plus nz1 divided by m plus n. Then we have to substitute the value. Then we have to equate this. If we have to equate this 11k plus 1 divided by k plus 1 is equal to 5, then also you will get 2 is to 3. And 3k minus 2 divided by k plus 1 is equal to 0, then also you will get 2 is to 3. And 7k minus 8 divided by k plus 1 is equal to minus 2, then also you will get 2 is to 3. So it is easy to equate these y terms. So 3k minus 2 divided by k plus 1 is equal to 0. So 3k minus 2 is equal to 0. 3k is equal to 2. So k is equal to 2 by 3. The ratio means that is k is to 1. So 2 by 3 is to 1 means 2 is to 3. So B divides AC in the ratio 2 is to 3. Understood? Okay guys, study up to here. The remaining problem we will see in the next class. Until then, bye bye.